Ohayo gozaimasu. Stop. Hey everyone, it's lunchtime. We're going out for lunch because it's lunch already. I think we'll be going to the same place that we always go for lunch.
Yeah, cause it's cheap.
But I think the food's fine there, yeah?
Yeah.
Right? I think the food's pretty fine there. That's why we
Tastes
always
average.
Average. Yeah, it's fine. It's just not if you go go out all the time. You know, if you go out every time for lunch, it's fine to go in at least cheap and quite average taste of food. It's not that very, you know, what do you call that? Luxury dining, you know, chu dining, but it's fine. It's a family restaurant. It's still fine to go there.
Asa man sa visa namin?
Yeah, bisdak mode na naman siya. For my subscriber who's thinking that my husband is Japanese, no, he's fake. He's totally fake, right?
No.
He's 100% bisdak. Bisaya daw bi?
Nani? Wakarang gido.
Choto Matene, we're almost
Here?
there. Yeah, you might
Fukuoka?
forget again. Yeah.
Koko, Dennis Janay.
Dennis Janay, no, joyful. Bisdak ka, oy. We're here, so see you later, guys. So I'm inside KS now. KS is an electronic shop. Yeah, I'm trying to look for a new, what's that called? New camera lens. Yeah, because I think I saw a while back then that there's a sale of camera here. So I wanted to buy this one. This is the Canon EF 50mm lens 1.8, but it's not on sale anymore. It was 7,000 yen before, but now it's 15,800 yen. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to buy that one. I wanted to buy this one from Lumix. It has a 4K. Initially, I wanted to buy the Panasonic GH4, but it's so pricey. This is the price. So I'm done with KS, and I end up not buying the camera lens, that 50mm lens, because at first I thought that it was on sale for like 7,000 yen because they had it on sale before, but now it's not. It's twice the price already, and I know I don't want to spend a lot anymore because I've been buying a lot lately. Yeah, so I just bought this one. It's a heated eyelash curler from Panasonic. I bought another so that I will have a backup if ever that I will lose my other one, or if it gets broken. So yeah, this is the only one because this is important to me. Yeah, so this is the only thing that I got from KS, and maybe I will go to Daiso to buy lock for my bicycle, yeah, later. I'm just waiting for my husband there because he is trying to buy something for the car too, so I'm just chilling here. I'm Genki right now. It's just me, my husband decided to stay in the car, and yeah, it's fine with me because if he's with me, he will be always bugging me like, Hayaku, hurry, always tells me that, and I want to buy some makeup stuff. So yeah, it's fine that he'll be doing his thing. He's addicted to that game, that after post game. So yeah, it's fine with me that I'm alone. Yeah. Hey guys, I did not vlog a lot today. So we're home now and I bought this one because of Sisley. Because she always do she she always have this deals. Yeah, she always have this for bayan. And I got jelly, that's why yeah. So Sisley, I'm gonna try my what's this called? Baby fish dilis. Baby dish because this is small. Baby fish.
You're eating baby fish.
A lot of fish.
There will be no more fish in the near future because you're eating already the baby fish.
Bully now. Hey guys, so it's already night and this is a little TMI because I haven't taken a shower yet and I don't know if I'm going to take a shower. But it's fine because yeah, I don't know if I'm going to take a shower. I'm so lazy, but yeah. I need to say goodnight now. Yeah, because it's already super late. I think it's already it's almost 11 p.m. and yeah, it's time to go to bed. And I hope you had a wonderful day as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. Hope to see you in my next video, and thank you so much for always stopping by at my channel. I love you all guys. Oyasumi na sa.